Well, the suspension and chassis engineers at Ram deserve a raise. And here's why, because we just got some air with the new Ram TRX. And this is an incredible course that they have here at Motor Bella. I'm pretty sure my insides, like all my organs, have been rearranged from where they were this morning. But the Ram TRX, in addition to the suspension, which we had in Baja mode, by the way, our driver put it in Baja mode to stiffen the suspension, but in addition to that, the Ram TRX has a 6.2 supercharged V8 under the hood. You Mopar fans know that engine very well. 702 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. So we started off here at Motor Bella at the Ram TRX course with just a straight sprint. So our driver just gunned it right out of the gate. You go and you twist around, that's where you get all shaken up, and then finally you hit the air at the end to really showcase that suspension. I want to take another ride. Even though I'm shaken up, I want to take another ride, so I'm going to jump in a TRX, and if you're here at Motor Bella, if you live in Michigan, you got to get here and be part of this Ram experience.